Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Canadian Food Truck Festival, Canada's largest food truck festival. I go by the name of DJ Kid Sick. Follow me on all social medias. This is Kid Sick. We are here to fill your bellies. There's plenty of food trucks, plenty of food. We have over 30 food trucks to serve dishes from all across the globe. I want to thank you guys for coming out. Once again, we are here all evening. I want to shout out my sponsors, Monterey's, Interact, Ford, Storyteller, Sandbagger. We have plenty of things for you guys to do, plenty of things for the kids.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love, love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind? And all the hurt we deal with, I wanna leave my cares behind. And now that time has passed, I see why we are lonely. Ooh, should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. And now that time has passed, I see why we were lonely. Should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. And now that time has passed, I see why we were lonely. Should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. Harness my synergy. Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over. Modest tranquility. Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over.